Hi, it's Dave. So a very quick update today on the car. As you may have seen from my previous video, I've got the scissor lift installed, which means the car's up and high, which is good. Which means I can put oil in the gearbox, which then also means I can now put it in gear and spin the wheels, because obviously it's up, so the wheels will just spin, which is brilliant. So I'm just going to do a quick video showing that, showing it all working, because I guess until this point I didn't know that the coupler was going to work and that the engine's in a good point to run the gearbox, and well, this just all going to work together. So let's do that. I'll do a little video, and that'll be me for today. So put my camera on the tripod and just got it pointing at the car with the wheel. Probably going to try it in third gear, put the high voltage on, turn the ignition on, blip the throttle, get the wheels spinning. Fingers crossed it doesn't fall off and speed off out of the garage, because that's going to be rather catastrophic, to be fair. But I think this is all super stable, should be good. Just give it a go. High voltage on. Third gear. Wow, okay, it works. Car didn't fall off, nothing broke, wheels spin, all good. So that's really good test. Proof of concept then that this will actually run on the road when I get the batteries in, which is the next thing. So I might be a bit quiet for a couple of weeks, because fabrication, not my strong point, as I've said many times. It's going to be lots of welding, getting it wrong, welding again, maybe getting it right, getting it wrong, getting it right, ordering more stuff, round and round, iterations until I get what I need. Not going to be very exciting, so I think once I've done it, I'll then obviously show what I've done and make a video of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.